Last year, I was drowning in clutter, struggling to find peace in my own home. Then I discovered 21 key items that completely transformed my living space and my mindset. In this video, I'll share these 21 must-have items that helped me embrace minimalist living and find true contentment. Before we get started, if you're ready to declutter your home, don't forget to join my 7-day declutter challenge, link in the description. Let's start with where you spend about 1/3 of your life, your bed. A good night's sleep is crucial for your overall well-being, and that's why a quality bed tops our list of minimalist essentials. When I first started my minimalist journey, I was tempted to skimp on my bed to save money. Big mistake. I quickly realized that a comfortable, supportive mattress is an investment in your health and productivity. 2. Basic bedding. While we're on the topic of sleep, let's talk about bedding. You don't need a mountain of decorative pillows or a dozen different comforter sets. Instead, focus on quality over quantity. Invest in 2 sets of high-quality sheets, a couple of pillowcases, and maybe 2 blankets, one for warmer weather and one for colder months. Choose neutral colors that can mix and match easily. This way, you'll always have clean bedding while one set is in the wash without cluttering up your linen closet. 3. Multifunctional furniture. One of the cornerstones of minimalist living is making the most of your space, and multifunctional furniture is a great way to do this. Think of items like a sofa bed or a coffee table with hidden storage. I remember the day I replaced my bulky couch and separate guest bed with a stylish sofa bed. Not only did it free up an entire room, but it also made my living space feel more open and less cluttered. Plus, it's so much easier to clean around. 4. Minimalist wardrobe. The closet, often the final frontier of clutter for many aspiring minimalists. But fear not. A minimalist wardrobe, often called a capsule wardrobe, can be your secret weapon in simplifying your life. Start with the basics. 1 to 2 pairs of well-fitting jeans or casual pants, 3 to 4 versatile shirts suitable for layering, a couple of dresses or formal outfits for special occasions, and essential footwear like a pair of comfortable sneakers and formal shoes. 5. Essential kitchenware. You don't need a kitchen full of gadgets to cook delicious meals. In fact, a minimalist kitchen can inspire creativity and make cooking more enjoyable. Start with the basics. A good set of pots and pans, flatware, plates and bowls, a cutting board, and a quality chef's knife. These essentials will cover most of your cooking needs without cluttering your kitchen. I remember the satisfaction I felt after decluttering my kitchen. Everything I needed was right at hand, making meal prep a breeze. Did you find the video helpful so far? Please consider liking the video and type "I am a minimalist" in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe for more minimalism and decluttering tips. 6. Multi-purpose kitchen appliances. While we are in the kitchen, let's talk about appliances. Instead of filling your counters with single-use gadgets, opt for multi-purpose appliances that can handle various tasks. A good blender can make smoothies, soups, sauces, and even grind coffee beans. A microwave can reheat food, cook simple meals, and even sterilize kitchen sponges. By choosing appliances that serve multiple functions, you'll save space and reduce clutter without sacrificing functionality. 7. Food storage containers. Proper food storage is essential for reducing waste and keeping your kitchen organized. Invest in a set of good quality, reusable food storage containers. Having a uniform set of containers not only looks neater in your fridge, but also makes it easier to stack and store leftovers. Plus, they're great for meal prep, helping you save time and reduce food waste throughout the week. 8. Basic cleaning supplies. A clean home is a happy home, but you don't need a cabinet full of specialized cleaners to achieve it. In fact, most cleaning tasks can be accomplished with just a few basic supplies. An all-purpose cleaner, some microfiber cloths, a good sponge, and dish soap will cover most of your cleaning needs. For floors, a broom and mop or a vacuum cleaner, depending on your flooring type, should be sufficient. 9. Towels. Towels are another area where it's easy to accumulate excess. But really, how many towels do you need? A good rule of thumb is 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, and 2 washcloths per person in your household. Choose high-quality, absorbent towels that will last. And here's a tip: opt for white towels. They're easy to bleach if needed, and they give your bathroom a clean, spa-like feel. 10. Toiletries. When it comes to toiletries, minimalism doesn't mean sacrificing personal care. It's about focusing on the essentials and eliminating excess. Start with the basics: toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, soap, and any other personal care items you use daily. Try to choose products that serve multiple purposes when possible. For example, a gentle all-in-one body wash can often double as shampoo. 11. Laundry supplies. Doing laundry is a necessary part of life, but it doesn't have to be complicated. All you really need is a good quality laundry detergent and a hamper to collect dirty clothes. If you have the space, consider a divided hamper to pre-sort your laundry. This can make wash day even more efficient. And remember, you don't need a different product for every type of fabric. A gentle, all-purpose detergent will usually do the trick for most of your clothes. Congratulations! You've made it halfway through the video. So we have a small gift from our side, which is the free 7-day declutter challenge, where you'll get daily checklists to help you declutter step by step. Plus, some exclusive bonuses to keep you motivated along the way. It's only available for a limited time, so click the link in the description or the pinned comment to join now. 12. First aid kit. While we hope to never need it, a basic first aid kit is an essential item in any home. It doesn't need to be extensive, but should include items like bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any personal medications you might need in an emergency. Keep your first aid kit in an easily accessible place and check it periodically to replace any expired items. Remember, the goal of minimalism isn't just to have less stuff, but to have the right stuff when you need it. 13. Water purifier. Clean water is essential for life, but constantly buying bottled water creates unnecessary waste. A water purifier is a great solution that aligns perfectly with minimalist principles. A water purifier ensures you always have access to clean drinking water without the need for disposable plastic bottles. It's a win for both your health and the environment. 14. Basic tools. You don't need a professional-grade workshop in your home, but a basic toolkit can save you time and money on minor repairs and adjustments. A simple toolkit might include a hammer, screwdrivers, pliers, an adjustable wrench, and a measuring tape. With these tools, you'll be prepared for most basic household tasks without cluttering your space with rarely used specialty tools. 15. Trash can. It might seem obvious, but a good trash can is essential for maintaining a clean, clutter-free home. Choose one that fits your space and lifestyle, perhaps with separate compartments for recycling if that's important to you. Remember, the goal of minimalism isn't just to own less, but to create less waste overall. A well-organized waste management system in your home can help you be more mindful of what you're discarding and potentially reduce your overall waste output. 16. Digital devices. In our digital age, a good laptop or tablet can replace a multitude of other devices. From work to entertainment, banking to socializing, a single device can serve numerous functions. When choosing a digital device, look for one that meets all your needs. This might mean spending a bit more upfront, but having one high-quality device that does everything than having several cheaper, single-purpose gadgets. 17. Books or e-reader. For book lovers, the idea of minimalism can be daunting. An e-reader allows you to keep a vast library of books without taking up physical space in your home. Plus, it's portable, making it perfect for travel. If you prefer physical books, consider keeping only your absolute favorites and utilizing your local library for other reading material. 18. Personal mementos. Minimalism isn't about getting rid of everything. It's about keeping what truly matters. That's why personal mementos make our list of essentials. Choose a few items that hold deep sentimental value or bring you joy. These might be family heirlooms, photographs, or souvenirs from meaningful trips. Display these items prominently in your home as a reminder of what's truly important in your life. 19. Travel essentials. For those bitten by the travel bug, a good quality carry-on suitcase is a minimalist essential. Traveling light not only aligns with minimalist principles, but also makes your journeys more enjoyable and less stressful. Look for a durable, versatile suitcase that meets airline carry-on requirements. Pair it with packing cubes to keep your belongings organized, and you'll be ready for any adventure without excess baggage. 20. Emergency supplies. While we hope to never need them, having basic emergency supplies on hand is crucial. This doesn't mean stockpiling a bunker full of goods, but rather having a thoughtful selection of essentials. Consider keeping a small supply of non-perishable food, bottled water, a flashlight, batteries, and a battery-powered or hand crank radio. These items can be invaluable in case of power outages or other emergencies. 21. Plants or greenery. Last but certainly not least, consider adding some greenery to your minimalist home. Plants not only purify the air, but also add life and beauty to your space without contributing to clutter. Choose low-maintenance plants that suit your lifestyle. A few well-placed plants can transform the atmosphere of your home, making it feel more welcoming and alive. There you have it, 21 items you must own to embrace minimalist living. If you enjoyed these decluttering tips, don't forget to join my free 7-day declutter challenge to take your decluttering journey to the next level. Click the link in the description to sign up.